Jaguar XKSS, otherwise known as the road variant of the Jaguar D type. In the 1950s, Jaguar won Le Mans multiple times, making them the greatest manufacturer of the period. And the D-Type was their ultimate race car of the 1950s. In 1956, Jaguar decided to retire from motorsport. And as such, they had 25 left over Jaguar D-Types, and they decided to turn into race cars for the road. The modifications were simple. They added a passenger door, silenced exhaust, full-width windscreen, and of course the all-important, fully operational soft top roof. And they named them the XKSS. However, in 1957, there's a devastating fire at Browns Lane, and production was never completed, with just 17 units produced. Fast forward to a few years ago, Jaguar decided to complete that production, building the last remaining 9 cars. And this is chassis 1 of those 9. It's fully UK road registered on its original identity, and it's the only one painted in cellulose, with only a few hundred miles since completion. This is Jaguar's Le Mans winning D-Type for the road, the Jaguar XKSS.